Hello guys, I'm gonna show you how to install Selection for Dmod 1.0 developer edition. The OS was just released a few minutes ago actually. I downloaded the ISO file, maybe a few hours, I'm sorry. It is of 83 831.5 MB. It is based on Debian, which is unstable at the moment, and of course it's a developer edition, so you might have to face some bugs. And its code name is painted black, and the default desktop used is the LXQT. I downloaded the 64-bit version, so the size of the 64-bit version is 831.5 MB. So I'm gonna quickly install it on VirtualBox. First of all, I'm gonna open VirtualBox here. I'm gonna select create a new virtual machine actually. Let's name it Seduction 0 64-bit Seduction for okay, so it's Debian, based on Debian, so I'm gonna create a new. I'm gonna give it as 8 GB as its base memory. I'm gonna create a new virtual hard disk. I'll give it as 40 GB as its memory. I'm gonna increase the CPU cores here, making it a quad core virtual machine. I'm gonna increase the video memory. Now I'm gonna start the virtual machine. Now I'm gonna select the ISO I just downloaded. This is the ISO I just downloaded. I just have to select it and gonna start the OS now. Okay, so this is, you get 4 options here. First is the start selection AMD 64, which will install the selection. The second option is of the settings, graphical settings. It will boot into safe mode, and third one is from boot from hard disk. If you want to, if you have a hard disk with this OS, so you can boot the hard disk with that OS. I'm just confused. So I'm gonna go with the first option. So just wait for the installation screen. So here we have the installation screen here. Actually this isn't any this is a live ISO file, so I can just peek into the OS at the moment, and okay, leave it. And here's the default desktop here. Get a bunch of applications here to choose from. You have a terminal. In the graphics you have PDF viewer, images, Mac for the to view your images. For internet you get Seni, maybe. Office you get the PDF viewer. Sound and video you get the Pulse Audio, you get the VLC media player pre-installed. In the system tools you get the Xterm and UXterm, QTerminal drop down, kernel remover, installer. In the preferences you get the Windows effects, desktop notifications, appearance, and all settings related to desktop settings. Okay, so here we have the desktop setting preferences. I'm gonna quickly leave it. So let's start the installer. Oh, not an installer actually. So here's the file manager. It's Seducer, SIDUCER, painted black, whatever it is, I don't care, fuck it. You get the NTFS configuration tool. You can change your partition settings here, and close. The OS is in alpha stage, so you have to face a lot of bugs. So I don't recommend to use it as your daily driver. You can use other operating systems out there. Okay, so you get the theme options, you get the appearance option, you get the font options, desktops, dock margins, and all pretty same. And Okay, so you get the Qt configuration also here. uh, mm, Close it. The OS is still in beta stage, so there are not much of the application installed. There are very little applications here, and yeah, you don't have many of the applications. So this is the default terminal here. I'm gonna close it. No need. You get a screen capture here. So I guess there's not many of the things to show at the moment because there aren't many applications installed. You just have to see a basic UI here, and I just shown you almost everything. And there's not much of the things to show, only the LXQT desktop. So that's only the new thing here. So I'm gonna shut down this OS because yeah, there isn't anything to show much at the moment. So I think thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. If you want more, you can subscribe to my channel. Peace.